that slide, she has to pay.
We can see the real Wallace energy just a pour out of you. I take it you're not looking at the top, Mandis.
None whatsoever. I'm all locked in.
Perfect. You're planning to use your name when you publish this?
I'm thinking about it.
Can I give you some advice?
Sure. So long as you know that I don't have to take it.
I know. But you might want to consider using an alias, just being anonymous, just to protect your identity.
I want her to know who is coming after her. I'm not afraid.
Look, I know you're not afraid. It's not about being afraid. But right now, you're being arrogant. Life is about being strategic, Tiffany. Don't go after her because you're upset and riled up. Go when you're calm and focused. Collect information, do your investigation, and then publish when it is most effective.
I suppose you're right.
I am right. There's no suppose. You can be more effective as an investigative journalist if you are incognito rather than public.
Okay, Uncle Carlton. I'll take your advice.
Good. Now what's up with your mother?
I guess she's doing fine.
And she's walking around in public.
She says she's being careful. She just wanted to see me.
What you do is very dangerous,
I told her, but she can be very stubborn.
Yeah. I want to talk to her. You have a number for her?
I do, but just let me ask her first before I give you her number. She wasn't too happy the last time when I told her that I told you that she's alive.
Okay.
I'm sure she'll say yes, but just let me confirm first.
Yeah. I get it. I understand.
Okay, Uncle, so I actually have to hit the street. I have a date, so I gotta go get ready.
What? A date? So you have a boyfriend now?
Not really. I'm dating again.
Again? So you were dating before?
Uncle Carlton, I'm a 22. I've been dating. I kind of had a serious relationship some time ago. So.
Whoa. Hold on. Slow down. What do you say?
You're so behind.
Apparently. So hold on then. What happened to the first boyfriend?
It didn't work out. Dad got involved. Then there was some drama. Long story short, he moved on.
He left you?
No, he moved on. Things were complicated.
It was complicated or you were complicated?
It doesn't matter. I'm dating and he has settled down with his insecure shopkeeper girlfriend.
Interesting. Boy, that's a lot. But you're sure you're not being bitter?
Bitter? She's the one being bitter. He chose her, yet she's the one stalking me.
Huh? Stalking?
Yeah. Girls tend to be threatened by me. There's nothing new about that. But, she's actually on my list to do a deep search on. I want to know how she found my house.
Sorry, my loss. What do you mean?
Don't worry, you'll know when I've done my investigation.